Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining how to take entry with this strategy. So first of all, we are going to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we search for the first indicator we see here, which is the fractal, right? So you are going to be clicking on the main window plus icon. You search for your fractal. These are the properties for it. Alright, so you can use the default setting if you want, or you change the color to blue, 3 pixel, same as mine, and then you click on done. You are going to have this small dot here on your chart, right? Now the next indicator we have here is the moving average. Alright, so you click on the main window plus icon again. You search for your moving average. So these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 35, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame, the style you make it color red, 3 pixel, you click on done. You are going to have this moving average here on your main chart, right? So you click on the F icon again, you search for the next indicator, which is the relative strength index. So you are clicking on the main window plus icon again, you search for the relative strength index. Now for the period, you make it 1000, apply to is close, the level you make it 80, 20, 10 and 90, the color is red, 4 pixel, you click on done. Time frame is all time frame. The style you make the color white, 1 pixel, you click on done. You are going to have these levels here, the level 90, 20, 80, 20 and 10, all right, on your indicator window. All right, so you click on the plus icon again. Then you are going to search for the Ichimoku, which is our last indicator here, right? Now for the Ichimoku to be added under the relative strength index, you are going to be clicking on the indicator window 1 plus icon here, all right, the second one here, and then you search for your Ichimoku. So these are the properties for the Ichimoku. The Tenkan Sen is 21, Kinjun Sen is 5, the Senkun span B is 9. You unfill it, right? Time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, the Tenkan Sen you make it the color of your background, 1 pixel for it. The Kinjun Sen you make it color black, 4 pixel for it. The Chinkun span you make it the color of your background, 1 pixel for it. Up Como you make it the color of your background also. Then the down Como you make it color red, 2 pixel, or you can make it 3 pixel, alright, whichever one you feel like to do. So after that you click on done and you are going to have a screen like this one here, right? So this strategy is simple as ABCD, right? It's very simple to understand. Even a beginner can understand and take entry using this strategy, and it's very profitable, right? So this is how you have to go about it. First of all, you want to see that these two lines here, the black and the red, has gotten to the overbought level, which is our 80 and 90 region here, all right, between this place. All right, so once you have seen that this black line is in between these two lines, all right, the 90 and the 80 level, it means that price has gotten to the overbought level and you have to start looking for entry, right? Now what is going to give you the entry confirmation is going to be the black crossing below the red after touching it, after getting to this level, right? So once you see this black crossing below this red line here, it means that you have to go in for your entry. All right, so as you can see, this is the area where it crosses, right? It crosses below the red line, all right, the black line crosses below the red line, and you can see that it was set for this to take this entry, all right. But as you can see here, I initially took my entry around this area, all right. I took my entry earlier before this indicator was able to give me the confirmation, all right, and it was because I was using other factors in the market to judge this entry. There's a resistance here, right, that I've seen from the higher time frame, all right, so I just decided to take the entry earlier before the indicator gives me the confirmation, all right. So indicators sometimes give us entry confirmation, but the problem is that they do lag sometime, all right. Before the indicator gives you the confirmation, it might be too late sometime, all right. But for those of you that don't understand price action, the beginners, you can use this indicator to take entry, all right. If you don't understand price action yet, you can just trade based on the indicator, right? Now I've explained how the indicator window here work. Now for the main chart here, what you want to do is that you want to wait for price to break below this, all right, go back, give you a kind of structure below this red line. All right, that structure is how you take your entry. Like I usually say, you can draw a line here like this, and then you draw a line below the most recent structure. You wait for price to come back in there, break below the line, and you can take your entry from this place, or you can just go in aggressively by waiting for the black to cross below the red line here, and then you just take your sell. You use the black line here to take your TP, right, by waiting for it to get to the 20 level here, and then you exit. All right, so if you are someone that is using the indicator alone to take entry and exit, you can just, by now you should be out of the market, because any moment from now market can start reversing. All right, that's how you use the indicator to take entry, by just following the explanation I've given, and make sure that you stick to the rules of this strategy. Okay, first of all, you wait for the black to cross, and then you go in, and then you wait for this black to get to the 20 level. Once you see it touching like this, you exit the market and you wait for the next opportunity. You can use the strategy on any time frame, but don't go below 5-minute time frame. All right, so that's how it works. Okay, and make sure you do your analysis from the higher time frame to make sure that you are in the same direction with the overall trend of the market. So that's all the things you need to know in order to be profitable with this strategy. Okay, so don't just take my words for it. Make sure you do the back testing. Make sure you demo trade it for like a week or two to confirm very well that the strategy is working for you before you go in with your hard-earned money. For those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, the link is still there, or you can check my bio. The link is there. Click on it. If it refuses to go through, you copy it, paste it on your browser, and then click on it from there. Okay, so that's it, guys. 2026 is going to be a great year for us. For those that will be joining the community, you will not regret joining. Okay, because everything there is going to be free. You don't need to pay for the VIP signal. All right, it's going to be free, and you are going to have a sweet 2026. So I think that's going to be all, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.